Good day everyone. We are here today to present our report, Communication Systems on Board, Satellite Communication System, Network Technologies, and Digital Communication. Introduction. Communication systems on board ships are critical for efficient maritime operations. They ensure safety, smooth navigation, crew welfare, and effective logistics. These systems include internal communication within the ship, external communication, ship-to-ship, and ship-to-shore. The integration of satellite systems and digital technologies has significantly improved maritime communication systems on board. On-board communication systems are classified into internal communication and external communication. In internal communication, we have public address or PA systems, intercoms, telephone systems. On the other hand, external communication, we have very high frequency, VHF radios for short range, high frequency HF radios for long range, satellite communications for global coverage. These systems are essential for operational efficiency and crew safety. Satellite communication system. Satellite communication plays a vital role in modern maritime communication. Global coverage. Ships can communicate anywhere in the world. Real-time connectivity supports voice, data, and emergency communication. For example of satellite systems is Inmarsat, Reliable GEO satellite service, VSAT or very small aperture terminal provides internet and high-speed data. Iridium, LEO-based satellite network for global coverage.
Satellite Network Technologies. GEO. Geostationary Earth Orbit. Advantages: large coverage area. LEO. Low Earth Orbit. Moving satellites. Advantages: low latency, faster speeds. MEO. Medium Earth Orbit. Balances speed and coverage. Benefits: high-speed internet for operations and crew welfare. Reliable communication for remote areas. Digital communication systems. Digital communication systems have replaced analog systems for better performance. Components: modems and routers for data transfer. Compression tools to manage bandwidth. Technologies: GMDSS, Global Maritime Distress and Safety System. AIS, Automatic Identification System for vessel tracking. Benefits: enhanced clarity, faster data transmission, and global connectivity.
Data transmission technologies. Data transmission systems are critical for ship operations and monitoring. Key technologies: GMDSS ensures global emergency communication. AIS tracks vessels' location and status for navigation safety. IoT, Internet of Things, integrates ship sensors to send real-time data to control centers. Data flow, sensors, processing units, transmitters, receivers.
Internet and network technologies on board. Network technologies improve communication and internet access on board. Local networks, LAN and Wi-Fi for internal connectivity. Satellite-based internet enables crew welfare for video calls and entertainment. Applications: monitoring systems for ship performance, email, messaging, and real-time navigation updates. Modern technologies like Starlink are revolutionizing onboard internet with high-speed, low latency access.
Challenges in communication systems. While communication systems are advanced, they face challenges: signal interruption, poor connectivity in remote areas, high cost, satellite data services are expensive, weather disruptions, heavy storms can affect signals. The solutions: use of LEO satellites for reliable and affordable communication, continued advancement in network technologies to improve connectivity.
Conclusion: Onboard communication systems are vital for maritime safety, efficiency, and crew welfare. Satellite communication and network technologies enable global connectivity. Digital systems ensure real-time data transfer and reliable navigation. As technology advances, innovations like LEO satellites and IoT integration will further revolutionize maritime communication, ensuring ships remain connected wherever they sail. That's all, everyone. Thank you for listening.